Good morning children, welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 5, 6 and 7 from exercise 12.1, chapter 12 exponents and powers. We have already learned the laws of the exponents. We know how to apply these laws also. Now question number 5, find the value of n for which 5 to the power n divided by 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 3. It is 5 to the power minus 3 and it will be 5 to the power 3. No, it will be 5 to the power 5. In the question it is given 5 to the power 5. So in the question it is given 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Solution of this sum, as it is given 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 equal to 5 to the power 5. We will just bases are same from the left side. Left hand side you can see that bases are same, powers are different, division side. So we need to subtract. So 5 to the power m minus 3 equal to 5 to the power 5. Now what you can see that 5 to the power m plus 3 equal to 5 to the power 5 minus plus 3. Now as the bases are same, their values are also same, so power must be same. So what I can write here, see, therefore you can write m plus 3 equal to 5. See, when we are writing for an explanation is, say 2 to the power something is same as 2 to the power 2. That means it is 4. 2 to the power 2 means 4. So in the box, what power you will write? You will write the power in the power of 2 is 2. It is possible only when the bases are same and their values are equal to same, then their power must be same. So 2 to the power 2 only 2 to the power 2. So the powers are same, then only the values will be same. So we are writing that the powers 5 m plus 3 is same as 5. Therefore m is equal to 5 minus 3. That is m is equal to 2. Understood? Come to the next sum. Now you can see that in question number 6 it is also you have to evaluate the sums are given here. Second value 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 3. 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 3 means you have to make this reciprocal. Do you remember? A to the power minus m means 1 by a to the power m. Or you can remember this law also, a by b whole to the power minus m is equal to b by a whole to the power plus m, positive m. So when we are making this reciprocal, my negative sign become positive sign. So the numerator and denominator if we interchange, so in this number also 3 to the power minus 1 means 3 by 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 means 4 to the power 1 4 to the power minus 1. Now 3 minus 4 it is minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. Minus 1 is as it is, we are not changing it. Now we will apply this inverse sign. Now 1 by minus 1 for this in negative sign. Next what I will write, 1 by minus 1 means minus 1 only. Okay. Next sum. It is question number 6(2). So 5 by 8 whole to the power minus 7, 8 by 5 whole to the power minus 4. Now 8 by 5 whole to the power 7 into 5 by 8 whole to the power 4. Is it? Because we are making it. Now do one thing, don't do this. Better you change one sign and another one you keep as it is, so that the basis becomes same. 8 by 5 whole to the power minus 4. We are not changing it. Why we are not changing it? Because the base is base. Here it was 5 by 8. If I change one portion, that means first part if I change, then it will become 8 by 5 whole to the power positive 7 into, this is already 8 by 5, so I am not changing it. 8 by 5 whole to the power minus 4. Now as the bases are same, powers are different, into sign we need to add them. Therefore what you will do, 8 by 5, now our base whole to the power 7 plus minus 4, that means a plus b, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. You know that we are applying this a to the power m, a to the power m into a to the power n, so a to the power m plus n. Okay, now 8 by 5 is our base, keep it as it is. 7 plus minus 4, 7 plus minus 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 4, so 8 by 5 whole to the power 3, 8 by 5 whole to the power 3, that means 8 you will multiply by 3 times, 8 into 8 into 8, and in the denominator 5 into 5 into 5. So what will be the result? 8 is 64, 64 into 8, 512, 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Okay. Now question number 125 into t to the power minus 4 by 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8. Students, we will see that the numbers are in their prime factors form or not. We can clearly see that 25, we can write 5 to the power 2, 5 square, and t to the power minus 4 already it is given, 5 to the power minus 5, minus 3, keep it as it is, 10 means 2 into 5, whole to the power 1, so 10 into t to the power minus 8. It is given that t is not equal to 0. Why it is given that this t is not equal to 0? Because t is in the denominator. If the denominator becomes 0, then the sum become full sum has no existence. It is become 0. So it is always when the denominator in a variable is used, it is written in this way. The instruction will be given. You will find afterwards also. Next, as we have to follow the law in the exponents, 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power, keep it as it is, 5 to the power 2, because 5 to the power 3 and minus 3 and 5 is here. We will do again t to the power minus 4, and this minus 8 will go because it is division, so minus, and then minus 8. T to the power minus 4 divided by t to the power minus 8, as because division, so minus sign. What you have to divide? Minus 8. So minus 8 you will write inside the bracket. Next, 5 to the power minus 3 and plus 1, 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power minus 3 base 5 to the power 1, so 5 to the power minus 3 plus 1 into 2, 2 is alone here. So after that what we will do? Now 5 to the power 2 into t to the power minus 4 plus 8. Can you see? Minus minus plus plus 8, and 5 to the power minus 2, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, and into 2. Now what we are getting here? 5 to the power plus 2, 5 to the power 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 2, so minus minus 2, minus minus 2 into t to the power minus 4 plus 8 means 4 divided by 2, 2 is alone here. Next what you can write? 5 to the power, 5 to the power, this is 5, 5 to the power 2 plus 2, minus 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 2 into t to the power 4 by 2, that is 5 to the power 4 t4 by 2, 5 to the power t4. What can I write? Instead of 5 to the power 4, I can write 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. 25 into 25, 625. 625, 5 t to the power 4 by 2. Okay, students? Understood? Now come to the next sum. Last sum of this exercise. Number 2. 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. You can see that it is not in the prime factors condition. So you have to change it into 2 into 5. And 125 means 5 cube. 5 to the power minus 7 into 6. 6 means 2 into 3 whole to the power 5. So we will write all these numbers first in a prime factors condition. 3 to the power minus 5, it was prime numbers only. Now 2 into 5 instead of 10. Instead of 10 I am writing 2 into 5 whole to the power minus 5 into 5 cube divided by 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 3 means 2 into 3 whole to the power minus 5. Prime factors of 6 is 2 into 3. Power was minus 5, so power is minus 5 here again. Now we will separate all the powers. 3 to the power minus 5, leave it as it is, 3 to the power minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5, 2 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power 3. See, 5 to the power 5 minus 5 and 5 to the power 3 we will use a to the power m into a to the power n. Here 5 to the power minus 7, afterwards I will use this one, not now, into, again I will expand this 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. Students, you can see that 3 to the power minus 5, here 3 to the power minus 5. 2 to the power minus 5, 2 to the power minus 5. So what I can write here, so instead of 3 to the power minus 5 minus 3 to the power 5 minus 5, 3 to the power minus 5 as it is division, so minus 5 into 2 to the same way 2 to the power minus 5 minus 5. That means it will be 2 to the power 0 and 3 to the power 0. Wait, and slowly you can write, or you can write directly. If you are facing problem, you can write directly also. You can cancel this directly also. Now 5 to the power minus 5 in plus 3. 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 7 divided by 5 to the power minus 7. Now what we are getting here? This one can I write in this way? 5 to the power minus 2 minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 and 5 to the power minus 7. Now they are in division condition, so what you can write? 5 to the power minus 2 minus 7, that is 5 to the power minus 2 plus 7, or 5 to the power 5. 5 to the 2 minus 7 minus 2 5 to the power 5. You can keep the answer in this way also, or you can give the answer also. You can give the answer 5 to the power 5 also, or if you multiply this 4 5 is 625 in previous sum you have seen, and 625 into 5 you will get 3125. So whatever we have explained here, I hope you all understood. Practice it. It requires practice. If you practice more, then it will be more easy for you. Thank you, students.